Well, it's been raining for a little bit, but we are here at VIR.
I'm gonna ruin your clip again.
And it's what?
I'm gonna ruin your clip again.
No, you're not.
I already did.
How did you ruin my clip?
If I ruined your clip?
No, this is a vlog, not a... there you go, thanks. So Brian's still trying to ruin my video clips, but he doesn't realize I'm going to put all of this in the video.
You want me to ruin it too?
Do you want to ruin it?
I don't know if you're going to leave it in.
Well, last one I left in, I just blurred it out.
Oh.
But we are sitting here, the cars are down at Tech. We tried to go go-karting, but the track was closed, and the reason it was closed is because it's raining, duh. So we couldn't do that. So now we're just sitting out here waiting until we can do whatever else we need to do today. What's the next thing we got to do today?
Other than the cars going to the tech.
Okay.
And yeah, everything's set up, ready for tomorrow, I think.
So we're pretty much ready to go. Nice. Well, while we're standing here waiting around, and he continues to beep the horn. Do it again, I dare you. See, I told you. All right, getting everything set up out here. Brian's getting the alignment stuff ready for the car 62 to get it aligned for the race. I've prepped car 60 for the new graphics for the race. It's going to be sponsored by Catalyzer. So we got that all set up and cleaned up. And we're still waiting for Christian's car to get back from Tech. Overall, everything's going well. And some folks over here hanging out. This is actually a really nicely laid out paddock as far as things go. It's not nearly as distant from other places as I was expecting, like the other tracks we went to. This one seems a little bit easier to navigate, which is a nice change of pace. And the weather finally cleared up a little bit. It was raining earlier.
She's got the same seats and everything. Yeah, she's got the same everything. So, this is our gas, and then I have that little gas.
Okay, so more preparations are underway, getting the rest of the cars ready. Car 37 is done, ready to roll. Car 60 is still awaiting some more preparation. Car 62 is getting cleaned up. Ethan's holding up the canopy right now. As usual, exactly. And we got some technicians here from Flow Mini and Hendrick Mini. And then we got Christian over there. But overall, things are running well, and we are off to a good start for the race weekend. Looks like it's going to be a clear one. Thankfully, no severe weather by the looks of things. Well, of course, I could have just jinxed myself, and that will probably be the case. But everything's looking good. You know I'm going to edit that out, right?
is getting completely flooded.
I think we might have been the horse on the back.
Imagine PJ side.
Show me the wire though. Hold on, that's what I want. Is this ground? Is this ground part of the Motec? Is that what? Yes.
This is the oh no. What the fuck is it? Oh yeah, this is the Motec. This
Okay,
is the power
so the ground for that. But it's
We
part
should
of
have this.
what I'm saying is it's part of the same. This is all the same piece of metal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I gave my camera to a professional photographer out here so I can get as good trackside video as possible. So hopefully it'll look really good. But in the meantime, I'm filming everything on my iPhone right now. And as you can see, the technicians are getting car 37 worked on before qualifying tomorrow morning. And I'm not exactly sure what's going on. It looks like they're bleeding the brakes.
Yeah, they're bleeding the brakes.
So making sure those are ready to go for tomorrow, right? How's it coming along though?
It's coming along pretty good. I think we're chasing a voltage issue, but I'm not exactly sure.
Well, hopefully you get it resolved soon. I think I heard it went into limp mode like twice. So not a good situation, but obviously one that can be fixed. So that's good. And then Nevin's working on the engine in car 60, doing brakes as well by the looks of things. Overall, things are looking good out here for the weekend so far. So they just finished qualifying and now they're at Tech before we head back to Paddock and get ready for race 1. I'm singing Taylor Swift. Clay, you ready?
Yeah, man. Christian's ready.
Yeah, of course he is. I fucked the route to fight them already. Well, they are getting ready to go. Cars are in position for a pre-grid. And in a few moments, we're gonna get ready for race 1. So cameras are all mounted. And we got about 10 minutes.
Broke the Brompton mic.
All right, those are recording. We're good. You ready, Clay?
Yeah, man.
All right, we're good. Cameras are all set up. And they are getting ready to go out for the start of race 1.
the top step of the podium in the number 60 Mini JCW Pro, Clayton Williams! All right, drivers, let's see those trophies! Thank you so much, drivers. Go ahead, put those Pirelli caps on again if you could. And then spray the champagne! All right, VIR, let's give it up one more time for your Team C podium!
All right, well, after race 1, we are getting everything ready for race 2. PJ's car is up, getting some work done. We are still working on Christian's car. It's having an issue with, I believe it was boost, I heard. And then Clay's car is doing good and just getting tidied up and ready for the next race.
Dean's list.
Ethan, so what's getting done with Christian's car?
We're just getting it ready for tomorrow. We're doing brake pads right now.
Okay.
Some of the caliper pins.
Okay.
Have slid out in the past, so we replaced those and we're just securing them with some wire just to make sure it doesn't happen again.
Now I know there was a boost issue where he kept going into limp mode.
We're still chasing that. We're not sure exactly.
So hopefully that doesn't happen tomorrow.
Wheel speed sensor, or they were thinking a hub could cause it as well, but yeah, we're just chasing it.
So hopefully it doesn't happen tomorrow. And what about PJ's car?
Tire issues is the only thing. He had a really good run today, just unfortunately the tire let go on him.
Is there a reason they keep disintegrating like that?
They're just more brittle than the TC class cars. They're smaller diameter. It's just harder on the tire to keep up.
Okay. All right, well, let's hope we get everything ready to go. But otherwise, it looks like it's going to be an early night.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Now you jinxed us.
Yep, I probably jinxed us. Yep.
That's fine.
Yeah.